Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Miramar local and long distance movers near me. Finding the right long distance moving company will make things easier for you. Our team offers more than just transportation services. We also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying the cost of hiring a Florida moving company just requires a closer look at the benefits. When you want to save time, gain convenience, and trust professionals to handle all your things throughout the move. With the extra time, you can make sure your new home is properly set up and prepared for your relocation. The 3 Movers professional movers will streamline the process of moving for you. It's possible to get settled into your new location faster and easier with the right moving company. What might take you a few days or even a week to complete, we can do in a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Miramar moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.